Good morning. I wanted to share some thoughts this morning. I haven't posted for a long time, and that's because I decided to no longer do some crocheting videos. I'm grateful for the time that I did them. They'll live on forever, and I'm grateful for those of you who have found them and have enjoyed them. But being a practitioner in mental health and working in that field every day, I realized I wasn't doing a lot for my mental health. And I was waking up early. I'm an early riser anyway, and I was scrolling through social media, and I just wasn't joyful. And so I thought, I need to change something because if you want different results, you have to make a change. So I started setting my alarm clock even earlier and getting up and going into my sewing room and turning on my scriptures and listening to my scriptures while I sewed in the morning, just for a half hour. Half hour was enough for me. And a shameless plug here for @Beth Dillman. She does a great job with her Come Follow Me presentation for study guide. So I've been following her and doing that every morning. And then I thought, I do miss my viewers, and I have a lot more on YouTube than I do on Instagram. But I decided that I would start sharing with you some of the things I'm doing at work. And one of those things is my Monday mindfulness that I write for the staff each week. They have enjoyed them. It's been a positive experience for both them and for me. And so I thought I'm going to start sharing those each Monday with you, my viewers, to hopefully bring some calm to the chaos of our lives. And if you like them, I hope you'll share them with others and bring them to the channel and help them find some peace as they start their week. So I'll start those on Monday. I hope you enjoy them, and I appreciate your continuing support. Have a great week.